4 magnets instead of 2? How will that work? Not starting. How's torque? Now doing 3. That's good. Really good. Time for the standard 2 configuration. This sounds good. And finally, just 1 magnet. Similar to 2 magnets, but not quite as good. With only 1, you kind of have some torque losses. Definitely spins fast. So when I used 4 permanent magnets, it just seemed like all of the magnetic fields were fighting each other and the rotor could only start in a few positions. With 3 magnets, it was the same as 2 magnets, if not better. 2 magnets was about the same as 3. And 1 magnet was a little worse than 2, spun about the same speed but with less torque. And if I didn't use any magnets at all, no torque would be produced. The rotor would try to pull as much current as it possibly can, and it would burn up within 15 seconds.